Yeah, Grandma can hear you.
Can you hear me, Grandma?
Everyone can.
I can hear you.
Sound check's on all of them.
Sound check, check, check.
Mark, these two are check.
Alright.
Say quiet.
Okay, here it
Read
comes.
the bottom paragraph first.
The bottom?
Honestly,
No.
yeah,
No,
I think you
just
do.
read
Read
it
the
from
bottom
the
paragraph.
beginning.
Read the
It's
top line,
important.
go.
We already discussed this.
Read it from the
It
beginning.
talks about
I'll read the whole
talks
thing.
about the blessings and
Alright, go
everything,
ahead.
and you'll be alright.
Should I read the bottom first?
No.
You should read the bottom first. I wish I had.
Thomas S. Monson.
Oh, who's that?
Um,
Thomas S. Monson?
She's reading the bottom paragraph
Thomas S. Monson
first.
sent you something?
The Lord will reward you for your goodness of your life. Great blessings and more happiness than you have yet experienced await you as you humbly and prayerfully serve the Lord in this labor of love among His children. We place in you our confidence and prayer that the Lord will help you become an effective missionary. Is that
Yeah.
it? Is that all of it?
That's it.
Gosh.
I like that one.
Wait.
Dear Sister Stewart, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to learn.
Must be Boise.
Germany, Berlin mission.
That is neat.
September 15th.
Whoa.
That? Germany, Berlin.
You guys copy that?
You copy that?
Yeah?
Berlin, Germany.
That is awesome.
Yeah? Yeah.
You will preach the gospel in the German language.
Woohoo!
Alright. Okay. Good night. Call the bishop. Can I come with you?
That is.
Where's my phone ringing?
Where is she going?
September 15th.
Where is she going?
Germany, Berlin mission.
Germany.
Deutschland.
Finally, Linda's dream is realized. So one of our kids is going to Germany.
Did you hear? Okay.
She had a dream.
Did
last
you
night.
hear?
She's going to Germany.
She's going where?
Hello?
To Germany.
Oh,
Thanks.
Yeah. That was so
Did
nice.
you hear September 15th?